This is a 3904 Noritsu. The motor that should be right there that drives the lower magazine wasn't working. We tried replacing the motor, that didn't fix it. The next thing to do was to replace PCB 1, which is down here underneath this black shroud. So I've just replaced that. This is the old board, and on the board, number 250 here is what drives those two numbers, and if you look on the back you can actually see it's sort of burned up. So this should be the solution. It's not too hard to replace. There's a bunch of cables you have to remove and put back on, and then it's held on by 6 screws, one in each corner and then a couple in the middle, and that looks like it. This is the magazine feed motor that goes right there. This is the one from down below. I've removed it because it wasn't working. Turned out to be a problem with a PCB I/O board. If you replace the motor, you have to take this gear off, which looks like it's held on just by the 2 little Allen screws, but really there's a bunch of Loctite on there, and we cracked it taking it off the other one. Then there's a wire harness that comes off that you need to swap out. And then this connector goes onto this white one. Where is it? Right there. But it has a tendency to pop out the back, so you sometimes might have to be careful when you plug it in, or else it goes behind the thing, and then you might have to get the back shroud off the machine to be able to get to it, but hopefully not. Okay, do the B again. So there is an output check that you can check to see whether or not the motors work, and I should have done that before replacing the motor, and then I would have been able to figure out that that wasn't the problem.